Hello everyone, welcome to Online Education Aid. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add your payment method on Google AdSense and how to verify your payment method on Google AdSense. So, you need to log in your Google AdSense account first. Some countries are not needed to verify payment method, but if you use or if you are in from UK, USA, Canada, Germany, then you need to verify your payment method. So I'm going to my Google AdSense account. So adsense.com. Once you log in this address, then you will be automatically redirect to Google AdSense official website. So in this section we will learn how to add our payment method after crossing our threshold $10. Remember one thing, you do not add your payment method begin of the $10. So you need to cross your threshold limit. I mean you need to complete your balance, total $10 or £10 or 10 USD, that means Australian dollar. So here is my balance, finalist balance. So I'm going to click here the icon and here is the view payment. So I'm clicking here. This is my UK account. So I am adding my UK bank account. You are already seen that here is a bank account. That means I already added here bank account. But if in the new Google AdSense account, here is no payment method available. You need to manage your payment method. That means you can manage your payment method clicking this button. I'm clicking here, then add a payment method. Okay, so here is the name, that means your account name. So thus I'm from UK, I mean my account, UK account. So I am adding my UK bank account. This is my UK bank account. Here is bank name and short code and account number. Okay, so I need to enter my bank account name. I'm copy this name. This is the name and this is my account number. Okay, branch code, and this is my account number and this is the short code. Okay, so if the information will be okay, then you can click the save, but I'm already added my bank account, so I'm not clicking the save. You need to save. I'm cancelling. Okay, those my account already added, so I need to verify my account. I'm clicking my verify. Okay, once you add your bank account, then Google will be sent you a small deposit on your account. Then you need to input here to confirm that how much balance you have received. That means here is a message that look for a deposit or less than £1 on around the date. Okay, so I'm checking my email. I have already received a, after adding the bank account, you need 2 days to 3 days to receive the small deposit. So here is my email. I'm clicking here. Okay, just loading. Here is a message. Those my account, actually my account opened from Payoneer. So I am receiving the email from Payoneer. If you are from another country and you are using UK account or USA account, then you can add your Payoneer bank account on your Google Adsense account. So I am also adding my Google Adsense UK account to Google Adsense account. So those I am received my small deposit on my account. So Payoneer emailed me that you have received a payment. I am clicking here. Okay, here is a amount. uh, if we check our another email, okay, here is a message: dear, this is my name and you have received a new payment ID sent from Google, and amount is 0.80. so we need to confirm our deposit that we have received 0.80. okay, so I'm clicking the selection amount. Here is, we know that 0.80. okay, okay, 0.80. okay, then click verify. By clicking this verify, then your account will be added. Okay, your bank account is verified. So now we are able to receive our payment using this account. If you are using Indian account, Bangladeshi account, Pakistani account, then you no need to verify your account. Just you need to add your account on Google AdSense, then your payment will be automatically arrived within 30 days after finalize the payment. So got it? Okay, here is no message. That means my bank account has been added and this is my primary bank account. You can add another account to receive payment, but I no need to add another account. So okay, so this is the process of adding bank account on Google AdSense account and verify the payment method. So I hope this video useful to you, and if you have any question, please leave your question on the comment section, and if you like this video, please like and hit the subscribe button if you are new in my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.